Welcome back. We are still on the topic rates. In the previous video, we solved a question on speed. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is: a car moves steadily for 5 minutes and covers a distance of 60 meters. Calculate the average speed of the car in I, meter per second, II, kilometer per hour. So this car covers a distance of 60 meters in a time of 5 minutes. So the distance covered is 60 meters and the time taken is 5 minutes. We are going to use this information to calculate the average speed of the car in I, meters per second, and II, kilometers per hour. We know that the average speed will be equal to the total distance covered by the car divided by the time taken by the car. Here, we want the average speed in meters per second and in kilometers per hour. For the first part, we are going to find the average speed in meters per second. To do that, the distance covered by the car must be in meters and the time taken to cover that distance must be in seconds. Here we have the distance covered by the car in meters, so the distance is 60 meters. But the time taken to cover that distance is in minutes. We want the time in seconds. So we will have to convert the time from minutes to seconds. Okay, so the distance is 60 meters and the time is 5 minutes. But we want the time in seconds. So we will have to convert time from 5 minutes to seconds. We have learned how to do this, how to convert a quantity from one unit of measurement to another. This time, we are converting time from minutes to seconds. We have learned that to convert a quantity from one unit to another, you will need the rate of conversion between those two units of measurements. We are converting from minutes to seconds, so you need a rate of conversion between minutes and seconds, which is 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So this is the rate of conversion. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And we want to find 5 minutes in seconds. So just as we have been doing all along, you ask yourself, if 1 minute is giving us 60 seconds, 5 minutes, will it give us more than 60 seconds or less than 60 seconds? You can see that 5 minutes will give us more than 60 seconds. If more, let's divide. So here, 1 minute will divide. That is, 1 minute will be the denominator. 5 minutes will be the numerator. Then we multiply it by 60 seconds. Minutes and minutes will cancel each other out. So we have 5 divided by 1, which is 5, times 60 seconds. And that will give us 300 seconds. So here, 5 minutes is now 300 seconds. Now, we have the distance covered by the car in meters. We have the time taken to cover that distance in seconds. So we can find the average speed of the car in meters per second. We know that the average speed is equal to the total distance covered divided by the time taken. The total distance covered is 60 meters. The time taken in seconds is 300 seconds. 60 divided by 300 will give us 0.2. Meter divided by seconds will give us meter per second. So the average speed of the car is 0.2 meters per second. The second part of our question says that we should find the average speed of the car in kilometers per hour. Let's do that. Remember that in the question, the distance covered by the car was given to us as 60 meters. The time taken to cover that distance was given to us as 5 minutes. We want the average speed of the car in kilometers per hour. In order to get that, the distance must be in kilometers and the time must be in hours. So this time we will have to convert the distance from meters to kilometers. Then we convert the time from minutes to hours. Let's begin with the distance. We are going to convert the distance from meters to kilometers. So we will need the rate of conversion between meters and kilometers. We have learned that 1000 meters will give us 1 kilometer, or 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. We are going to use this rate to convert 60 meters to kilometers. So if 1000 meters will give us 1 kilometer, then 60 meters, will it give us less than 1 kilometer or more than 1 kilometer? 1000 meters is giving us 1 kilometer. 60 meters will give us less. If less, more divide. So here 1000, which is more, will divide. So you have 60 meters divided by 1000 meters times 1 kilometer. Meters and meters will cancel each other out. We will have 60 divided by 1000 times 1 kilometer, and that will give us 0.06 kilometers. So now we have the distance in kilometers. We want the time in hours, so we have to convert time from minutes to hours. Okay, to do that we need the rate of conversion between minutes and hours. We know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. This is the standard rate of conversion between minutes and hours. 60 minutes, this is 60 minutes, not 60 minutes. So 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay, so you ask yourself, if 60 minutes is giving us 1 hour, 5 minutes, will it give us more than 1 hour or less than 1 hour? We can see that 5 minutes will give us less than 1 hour. If less, more divide. So here 60 minutes will divide, that is 60 minutes will be the denominator and 5 minutes will be the numerator. Minutes and minutes will cancel each other out. So you have 5 divided by 60 times 1 hour. 5 divided by 60 will give us 1 divided by 12. So you have 1 divided by 12 hours. So 5 minutes will give us 1 divided by 12 hours. Now we have our distance in kilometers and our time in hours. So we can find the speed in kilometers per hour. Okay, so the distance is 0.06 kilometers and the time is 1 divided by 12 hours. We know that average speed is equal to the total distance covered divided by the time taken. And this will be equal to the total distance covered, which is 0.06 kilometers, divided by the time taken, which is 1 divided by 12 hours. We can divide the numbers separately, then we divide the units separately. When we do that, we are going to have 0.06 divided by 1 divided by 12. Kilometers divided by hours will give us kilometers per hour. 0.06 divided by 1 divided by 12 will give us 0.72 kilometers per hour. So the average speed of the car is 0.72 kilometers per hour. So in meters per second, we had 0.2 meters per second, and in kilometers per hour, we are having 0.72 kilometers per hour. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on speed. Bye bye.